Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked at your body and thought, I'm not really doing anything that different with my routine, so why does my weight keep creeping up? Now, maybe it's just a few pounds a year for you, or maybe it's mostly just extra fat around your belly, and maybe you don't even feel that unhealthy yet, but yet something feels off. And what makes it frustrating is this. No one really ever warned you that this might happen like this. It's not this sudden weight gain, it's not dramatic, but quietly, year after year. Now, if this sounds familiar, this video is for you because today I want to talk about the slow weight gain that almost everyone experiences as they get older. And we're going to talk about why this happens and why it feels so hard to stop it and what actually helps before it feels like it's out of control. And if we haven't met yet, hi, I'm Dr. Anna, your med diet doc, and I work with adults over 50 every single day. And what I'm about to share is not another diet lecture. Now, let me be very clear about what this video is not. It is not a list of weight loss hacks, a lose 30 pounds in 30 days promise, a supplement pitch, or a gimmick, or another lecture about cutting carbs, counting points, or tracking every bite. I am not going to tell you that vegetables are bad, you need to stop eating after 6 p.m., or that this one secret food is actually the answer that you need to lose weight. Most people are exhausted by that kind of advice, and myself included. And honestly, most of all of that really misses the real issue anyway. And here's what actually happens to most people. As the years go by, we tend to sit more and more, we move a little bit less, our life gets busier, we get more distracted, our sleep patterns change, stress might pile up, we have more people to take care of, and work and family life tend to take priority over our own health. None of this really feels dramatic, but it's all quietly changing your body's chemistry. Your hormones also start to shift, and your blood sugar gets a little less steady. Now, what can also happen to a lot of people is that our muscle mass declines as we get older, and thus our energy doesn't really bounce back the way it used to. And when that happens, the exact same meals that you used to eat, they might start affecting your body differently. So even if you feel like you're doing all the same things, well, your body just isn't the same body it was 10 or even 20 years ago. That is when most folks notice, my belly seems a little bit bigger, or my pants feel tighter, or I'm getting tired faster. I gain a few pounds every year without trying. It's not because you suddenly lost discipline. It's because your internal body chemistry has slowly started to change. That is the moment that most people say, I swear I'm doing the same things, but my body feels different. And they are right. Now, real quick, because this matters a lot, if you are noticing the slow weight gain and you want a clear, realistic way to reverse it, I teach this step-by-step in my free Mediterranean weight loss webinar. You can click the link in the description below this video, or if you're watching this right now from your TV, you'll see a QR code pop up on the screen over here. Just pick up your phone, open the camera app, and hover it over the code, and the link to register for the webinar will pop right up for you. Now, let's get back to the video. So let me explain what actually helps without going into anything extreme. And this is the part no one talks about. Most people don't act when their weight gain starts. They will take action once their clothes totally don't fit, once they go to the doctor and see that their labs got a lot worse. Maybe it's once their knees or their hips start to hurt and their energy drops, or fear finally kicks in. And by then, the body is more resistant. That is why a lot of people start saying to themselves, why does this feel so much harder than it used to? It's not because you're failing suddenly and you did something totally out of whack. Nobody showed you how to work with your body at this stage of your life. Now, this is where I'd argue the Mediterranean lifestyle really shines. No, I'm not just talking about eating more olive oil and fish. Mediterranean cultures have been living in a certain way for so long, and they tend to not wake up every day thinking about metabolism, inflammation, or lab numbers. They're not chasing health metrics. Instead, people who are living the Mediterranean lifestyle and where we got our understanding of the Mediterranean diet is that these folks are living in a way that naturally supports the body as it goes through its life cycle. People tend to focus on things like walking and getting movement every single day, moving throughout their day as part of their normal life, enjoying lots of meals instead of stressing about them, cooking with especially very simple, real food ingredients, eating more slowly, sharing those meals with friends, family members, coworkers, neighbors, etc. In general, staying very socially connected to their communities, getting outside, and keeping certain routines instead of just going for extremes just to try to lose weight or get in shape. Now, none of that, if you ask me, sounds like a diet. It just sounds like life. And here's the beautiful part. When you start living in this way, your body will respond. You will see incredible results, like lab numbers can improve, your blood sugar can get more steady, inflammation can go down, muscle tone and muscle mass becomes easier to maintain. For some people, their energy gets better, and the weight can slowly start to come off without you feeling like you're punishing yourself or you're forcing yourself to do things that you hate. And this is not because you're trying to morph your body into some shrinking vesicle, but because you actually created conditions where your body can finally feel balanced again and relaxed. And that is necessary in order for the body to lose fat. So instead of asking yourself, how can I lose weight as fast as possible once you hit a certain age and you notice this slow weight gain is happening for you, I'd argue there's a smarter question that we can start to ask ourselves after we're, let's say, in our 40s or 50s. Instead, ask yourself, how can I help my body work with me instead of against me? That's actually what changes long-term trajectory. And that is what I teach step by step in this free Mediterranean weight loss webinar. So again, if you want to register for this free webinar, you can click the link below this video in the description or scan the QR code that you see on screen right now if you're watching it from a TV. So now let's talk about what this kind of means for your future. If you're sitting there right now and you're thinking, okay, Dr. Anna is kind of describing the situation I've been in. I've noticed it's just so much harder to lose weight. I'm of a certain age, let's say I'm past age 50, and I'm a little worried about what's coming later. So now we have to put this into context because probably at this point in your life, you're not just trying to go after six-pack abs. Instead, the weight loss goals are attached to things that are much more real for you. Maybe it's that your weight is creeping up a little more each year and you feel like this is out of your control. Maybe it's that everyday movement is starting to feel more difficult, harder, and your body feels heavier or weaker. Maybe your energy is just fading and you need more naps in the day and you just can't have the same stamina that you used to have to do the activities you like. Maybe you're starting to develop aches and pains, and this you think is normal just because you're aging. And this might actually be affecting how you feel in your body in terms of your confidence, your comfort, or if you're feeling frustrated and stuck all the time. And all of these things matter a lot. You see, your small daily choices really add up, and it's kind of hard to pinpoint if you're not paying attention. But if nothing changes, the direction and the trajectory you're on could stay the same. Now, the cool thing is that the opposite of this is also true. When you start supporting your body instead of fighting it, your future can look completely different. You can actually start gaining more energy, more strength, more freedom, more confidence. The people who act now and don't wait and don't dabble, well, they don't just maybe start losing weight. They can actually change the direction that their life and their health is heading. Now, how do I actually know all of this? Well, I have a community online called the Healthy After 50 Academy, and inside we have an amazing group of folks, and every single day I am seeing incredible results. I see adults over 50 losing 30, 50, even 100 pounds. Some of them are regaining energy that they haven't experienced in years. A lot of people are saying that they're reducing cravings and they have canceled the food noise they've been dealing with their whole lives. Some of them have improved their lab numbers. Some people even have said they've gotten off some medications at their doctors. And most importantly, people are stopping the feeling of being controlled by food. It's not because these folks are special and they're trying harder than everyone else. It's actually the opposite. It's because they've learned a way to stop fighting their body. Now, if this video resonated with you in terms of anything we've talked about, weight has creeped up, your energy is not the same as it used to be, you got aches and pains that you've noticed, please, if this helped you, send it to 3 other people you know this could help too. Because I'm willing to bet most folks out there listening to this right now know other people who are in the same boat. As well, I do encourage all of you to join my free Mediterranean weight loss webinar, where you can start to understand how to actually charge up your body and tap into some of these easy tactics to totally put your health on a different trajectory going forward to stop the cycle of slow weight gain. Again, you can click the link below this video or scan the QR code on the screen. And if you want to keep this going right now, I really encourage you to jump into my next video here, all about why weight loss feels harder as we get older and all the mistakes that a lot of people are making. Plus, I'm going to give some hints of what you can do to actually fix it. Remember, it's definitely not too late for you. Your body is totally not broken, and the slow weight gain does not have to be your future forever. I'll see you over in that next video.